Hi guys, today I've got this easy chignon hairstyle in under 2 minutes. To start, divide the hair straight across. This can be done on curly or straight hair. And then just secure it into a loose ponytail. Next, make a small hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then simply pass the end of the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Gently pinch and pull on both of the twists and the hair in between to loosen everything up a little bit. Then secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Split that ponytail in half and we're going to tie it in a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. So pull it tight and then take hold of that knot and just flip it upwards to cover the elastic band. Hold it to the head and just secure that knot with a few bobby pins. Then join those tail ends together with a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop to make pinning easier. And we're just going to roll this loop underneath until it touches the head and secure with a pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.